What's going on, folks? Frozen Angel back again with another video. Today we're going to be continuing the Bunny Farm. Sorry for the lack of uploads throughout the past couple, I guess, days or a week or so. I haven't been feeling well, but finally we're back at it. So if you guys do enjoy, just please leave a comment down below, or even consider like or subscribing. But anyway, let's just continue this game. Huh. For some reason there's no sound, but not really sure where I'm supposed to go. Somebody, please. It's too too quiet. Welcome back, partner. Did you miss me? Cause I sure did start to miss ya. Shit, that face. Sorry, just try to stay positive. Haha. Oh, it's raining. Don't worry though, we can still do some gardening today. I think. But who am I kidding? I can't play with this rain. Well, I just wear a rain jacket. Wait! I have an idea. Shit. Fucking whistle. Watch this. Handy pals, I have some exciting news for y'all. We're taking a trip to the lake. Shit, like that dog whistle. Man, you guys are no fun. So I guess we're just gonna go fishing today. Nice little calm adventure. Go for a nice forest. Oh. And one of us got already eating, or eaten. That's very nice. Looks like we're almost there, handy pals. Where are the other three? They probably got lost again. Can you go look for them, please? And what are you gonna be doing? You can't leave this place yet. Fucking course I can't. Not sure why she's just standing there fucking doing nothing, but let's see. A shotgun shell. But why is it here? Interesting, interesting. Hey, buddy. Somebody. Oh, there we go. Alright, one down. Two more handy pals left. Alright. Now where, oh where could they be? What the fuck? I'm guessing just gotta chase them? Or fucking, why the fuck is he running from me? Okay, good. One more handy pal. Oh, looks like the handy pals need your help. Maybe they found something important. I bet. What do you need, boys? Just fucking look at these fucking hand muscles, man. And of course they want me to just go all on my own. Alright. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? Oh, the fucking teeth. Handy pals, could y'all hurry up please? I ain't got all day though. And I guess that motherfucker is just scared of her for some reason. Alright, pals. Before we start, I need to talk to an old friend of mine. So I'm gonna need y'all to wait here for a bit. It'll be quick, I promise. So can I just step in the meantime? Let's see, maybe go around the house? It's too dangerous to go back there. I guess we should just go inside. Or can we go? Nope. Fuck it. Inside it is. Go inside the cabin. Yup. Where is he? Anyone home? What the fuck? That man pulled up with a shotgun. Oh, there you are. How you doing, Nelson? Where's Ben? Ben? What happened to him? Don't play dumb with me, you stupid rabbit. That man's fucking packing. Last night he went to the woods looking for you, and he's still not here. Nelson, don't worry. I'm sure he's probably hunted right now or something. Look, you trained him for this, didn't you? I think we both know he's already old enough to take care of himself, right? Shit. I'm sorry, Sky. Don't worry, I know it's hard to be a parent, but Ben's a great kid. I'm sure he's doing fine. Look, how we forget all this and go fishing for a bit, for old time's sake. Aight. If he ain't back home after this, I'll go look for him myself. He'll be back, Nelson. I'm sure of it. Damn, she had something to fucking do with it. Oh, hey. Sorry about all that. Been a while since I've seen that rabbit around here, you know? But yeah, enough about that. You're one of them handy pals, right? You look kinda different, though. Why the fuck is that? You wanna speak up? Not even a number on your back, huh? Weird. Guess I'll just call you little guy from now on. Well, in the meantime, you can check out the house if you want, or we could just leave. Fucking man, I wanna look around. So that's my chair, which I guess also counts as my bed. Look, I need to stay alert at all times, you know? If I get myself a cubby old bed, I'm never getting up. My son's bed has an actual bed in the attic, but I ain't letting you go there. Ah, yes, I remember that old photo. But then I got lost in the woods one day, and that rabbit found us. She has a beautiful house in the woods, actually. Have you seen it? Apparently, she and her handy house built it together, but I wonder, why there? That land where her garden's at looks pretty good to live in. I don't understand why she decided to live so far away from, well, everyone. Huh. Here, well, that's where I used to keep my grandpa's old shotgun. I need to clean that up. But why is the glass broken though? Those are photos of all of our family members. They're my brothers, Joseph, Sophia, John, Tina, Frederick, William, Oliver, Noah, and what was his name? Alright, Raphael, the little one. And that's me on the front. It's been a while since we last saw each other. Hopefully we'll reunite again in the future. Ben loves hanging out with him. So, anything else? Alright, skip. Sorry, you can't go there. Can I talk to you some more? You leaving? Yep. Time to go fishing, man. Alright, handy pals. It's time to go fishing. As always, I'll go with my handy pals. Nelson, you go with... The fuck you just say? I mean, the white glove. Yeah, you go with the white glove. Silly me. The fuck? Sure. Okay, let's go. Fuck, I couldn't read that shit. Almost got caught slipping now, did she? So, what are the rules, rabbit? Simple. Whoever catches the most fish before time runs out wins. Oh, and watch out for the piranhas. Alright, let's do this, little guy. Hit the action key to dash. Okay. Very close to the interact key or something, like left click. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Sounds simple enough. Okay, any fishes? Look at those faces. Fucking hurry up. Come on. I ain't sure why the fuck they're both looking at me. Fucking. I mean, at least we're winning, so. Damn, she ain't even fucking trying at all. Come on, fucking little shits. Come on, yup. Nothing else I can really fucking do here, but. Oh, what the fuck? A fucking piranha! Oh shit. Good job. Did no piranhas lived in this fucking lake? Fucking lazy ass. Hey, can you explain to me where the hell we going right now? Oh, silly me, I forgot to tell y'all. Every time we finish round, we'll go deeper into the lake. Why exactly? I just want to increase the difficulty, that's all. Whatever you say, Rabbit. We're here. Alright, little guy. Let's show this rabbit what we got. Yes, sir. And now it's getting more dark. Fucking current. Why is there no fish? Fuck. Can I at least get something? A little fucking small fry? Come on, something, anything? Come on. Fuck, all tied up. Fucking. Oh shit. No, I gotta run. Fuck that. Oh, please. Fuck, I'm not trying to lose. Fuck. Come on, I at least need to get one fucking more. Fuck. Fuck. No! We fucking tied. I got last second. There's no way she gets fucking four in like literally 4 or 5 seconds. Good job. Yay! I did it. And now... Hey, it looks like the rain stopped. It's also getting dark. But still one more round left. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. Is this it, Rabbit? Rabbit? What the fuck? Oh, Nelson, you're such a fool. Huh? You know, I truly believe that your species was more intelligent. Yet here we are. Alright, I ain't played this game anymore. Let's go, little guy. Oh, shit. Not so fast. Do you want to see your son again? Don't worry, my friend. He's alive for now. You better not lay a single finger on my bed, you bastard. It's okay, just follow my rules and I'll take you to him. Rules? Your little friend simply needs to survive until time runs out. If you win, you get to see your son. If you lose, you're dead. Got it? Little guy, I know this is all my fault. I should have never brought you to all this. But I really need your help right now. So please don't die on me. Please, yes, sir. I mean, it can't be that bad, right? At least we don't have to catch anything, so I can just relax. So I don't really have to do anything. But just move. Oh, okay, that's a big motherfucker. That is a big one. Okay, okay. No. Fuck. Okay, I think we got it. And hopefully. And we won. Yay. We did it. I knew I could count on you, little guy. So what now, Rabbit? We won your stupid game. Happy now, Rabbit? She's gonna have a fucking... Okay. She is fucking possessed. I see how it is. You just think you're better than me. That's why you sent your pathetic son to spy on me, right? You just want to get rid of me. Well, too bad, you stupid frog. If you don't want to be fair, then I can't promise to be fair either. Fuck. So I'm alive, but what about him though? The homie Nelson die? And are we back at the cabin? I believe. But let's see. Windows are blocked. Can't. The shotgun is missing again. The shotgun is missing. There's so many badges on the floor. What happened here? Okay, let's go check out the attic. Grab the lantern. Yup. There's a big hole below the bed. But what's this on it though? Hey Dad, I think it's time I finally proved I could take care of myself, so I'm going hunting for a bit. I'll be back at night. Please don't be worried, Ben. That's fucking nice for him, son, to leave him a note at least, but the shotgun case, does this mean Nelson owns 2 shotguns? Okay, so let's see if I could go anywhere else. So many badges on the floor. What happened? Alright, let's go outside. Nothing. Okay. And I guess this is where I die. Anybody? Oh shit. He did not deserve to go out like that, man. It's Nelson's head. Our lantern. So does that mean the rest of his body got eaten by the big piranha or that hand? Is my question. Exactly where am I going? Nobody's just gonna give me a hint or directions, just try to go through or something, just... Oh shit. Okay, that's good, but... Is he gone? I feel like I have to go down there. Okay. Okay, okay. Fuck. Please. Fuck. Why? Looks like the gate to the bridge is locked. Maybe there's a key somewhere I can't just fucking go around? Where the fuck would the key even fucking be at? What the fuck? All the way to the right? So I guess I'm at where the box is at. So I have to go all the way to the right. Oh, fuck. Just gonna avoid that bear trap, but there are already bears around here. Maybe it was meant to trap something else. Big brain move. Okay, come on. Come on, fella. Ah, fuck you. Looks like it's trying to tell you something important. Okay, right, left, right, right. Fuck. Hold on, I actually gotta fucking write this down. Okay, thank fucking God. Okay, time to go. Time to fucking go. There we go. Not sure why we could just fucking gone around, but. Ooh, shit. That motherfucker got free. I'm not even fucking controlling this shit, man. The game is just doing it on its own. Okay. I mean, at least we have unlimited stamina, so that's cool. That is very poggers. Oh. Ooh, shit. Damn! Having fun, big guy? Well, now there's nowhere to go. It's just you and me. Oh, shit. Number 10? Number 10. What a fool. You really thought you could escape from me? You stupid gloves are all the same. Do you know who I am? I will hunt you down no matter what. Fucking disgusting. So, is she dead? Alright, time to move on, I guess. To a better life, to a better place. And hopefully I can find that place very, very soon. Okay, come on. That's quite a nice looking house, but why is it here? I don't know, let's see. Are these sky flowers? Enter the house, yup. Got nothing better to do, man. But let's see. Yeah, pretty nice looking place, Ben. The fuck? It's locked. Hey, buddy. In here, there's light coming from below the rug. Pull out the rug. Yup. Let's see. Now, before we go down, looks like this is Sky's wardrobe. She seems to wear the same clothes every day. A bucket has a horrible smell. You decide not to investigate further. A bucket. Yeah. Can't go back out, so it's YOLO. What the fuck? Well, shit. So I guess you're Nelson. Hey, buddy. So she got you too, huh? Dang. You know, I've spent these last few hours trying to conceive myself that maybe that wasn't really her, but I saw it. I saw her killing your kind, and I couldn't just let her get away with it. After seeing what she's capable of, I had the feeling that my dad and I were next. So I tried to find her myself, but it all went wrong. Damn. Damn, landed a headshot too? Fuck. Honestly, I didn't want to use my dad's shotgun, but when I looked at her eyes, it was like she wasn't even there anymore. So I got scared and pulled the trigger. Even then, she still recovered in a matter of seconds. There's definitely something off about that rabbit, assuming she's even been a rabbit to begin with. Don't worry though, cause guess what? I got a plan to get us out of here. Let's just say it might involve a lot of waiting and a bit of persuasion. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I found this in the woods yesterday. Silver ring. Yeah, I found it out of her pocket and I grabbed it. I guess it belongs to one of you guys, so I'm giving it to you. Anyway, time to execute my plan. The wedding game begins. Alright, I think I'm just gonna leave it here for today's episode. If you guys do enjoy, just please leave a like or a comment down below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.